So the same.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has extended the flash flood warning for southeastern Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, western St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 6 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lafayette, Broussard and Youngsville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.